Hello children, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am taking maths. So children, open your canopy, maths section, page number 49. Okay, as we had studied in last period, exercise 11. We started exercise 11, that is before, after and between. Right, what becomes before and after. We have completed that exercise, question 1. So we have, now we will start question 2, exercise 11, question 2, that is write the number name. Sorry, write the number between. As in a previous period, we have started exercise 11, question 1. Okay, we have started exercise 11, question 1. That was what comes before and after. Now we shall start with question 2, write the number name. So all of you take the pencil in your hand, children. Okay, write the number between. Now read this number. What is here? 160. That is 160. And then after that nothing is given. Then 162. Now we want to see that what is between number 160 and 162. These are the numbers. Between this, which number will come? So, can anybody tell me? Yes, 160, 161, 162. So, 160, 160, 161 and 162. So, our between number is 161. 160, 161, 162. Now we shall start with B1. What is B1 number? 559. That is 559. Okay. So after 559, block is given blank. And then 561, that is 561. So which is the between number? Okay, 559 means 560. Okay, 559, that is 559, 560, 561. Then here C1 473, and after 473 what will come? Correct, 474. 474. Okay, so 473, 474, 475. The next D1 672. So 672, then 673 and 674. 672, 673, 674. Then E1. Can anybody tell now? 801. That is 801 blank, then 803. So what will come here? Between number is? Correct, 802, 802. Okay, so 801, 802, 803. Then F1, 778, that is 778, 778. Then between number is blank, then 780, that is 779. So between number is 779. 778, 779, 780. So 778, 779, 780. Now next one, G. What is this number? 400. Then after 400, correct, 401. Then 402. So between number is 401. 400, 401, 402. Then H1. Which is this number? 909. So after 909, 910. Okay. Then 911. 909, 910, 911. Then next one, 299. Then after 299, 300. Okay. 299. Then after 299, 300. And then 301. Now next here, 332. 332. Blank is given and 334. So what will come here? 333. 333. 333. 332. 333. 334. The next K. 880. Then 881. And 882. 881. 882. And now here next, last one, 99, blank, then 101. After 99, yes, between number is, after 99, 100. And then 101. So take down this. Now we will repeat again one more time. Write the number between first one C, 160, 161, 162. 160, 161, 162. So our between number is 161. Then B1, 559, 560, 561. So our between number is 560. Okay. Then C1, 473, 474, 475. So our between number is 474. 473, 474, 475. Then D1, 672, 673, 674. So between number is 673. 672, 673, 674. Then E1, 801, 802, 803. Our between number is 802. Okay. So 801, 802, 803. The next is 708, 709, 780. Okay. 778, 779, 780. So our between number is 779. The next one, 400. 400, 401, 402. So our between number is 401. The next one, 909, 910, 911. 909, 910, 911. So our between number is 910. Then next is 299. 299, 300, 301. So our between number is 300. 299, 300, 301. The next is 332. 332, 333, 334. So 332, 333, 334. Our between number is 333. The next is 880, 881, 882. So our between number is 881. 880, 881, 882. And last one is 99. 99, 100, 101. Okay, 99, 100, after 99, 100, then 101. What is between 100? Okay, take down this. Okay, finish. Now see exercise 12, story sums. Now see exercise story sums. Okay, exercise 12, story sums. Now see, Monu is reading page number 178 of a story book. Now see here, you can see in the picture that the boy is given, and that boy name is Manu. Monu is reading page number 178 of a story book. Now you want to tell which page did he read just before page 178. Now here you can tell which page did he read before 178. Now he is reading page number 178. Okay. Which page he is reading? Correct. 178. He is reading the page number 178. Then before this, which page he had read? Yes. Correct. He had read 177. So, your answer is he read just before page 178. Which page was that? 177. Okay. 177 page he read. You can write in this way. Page He read 177 page before page 178. 177 page he read just before page 178. So which page he read before 178? 177. Okay, then next one. Which page will he read just after page 178? See here, which page will he read just after page 178? First we had said before 178, okay? Now we want to tell after 178. So can you tell me children, what is that after page 178? Yes, correct. The page number is 179. So after 178, which he is going to read? The page number that is 179. Okay. So which page will he read? Will he read just after page 178? He will read page 179 just after page 178. Okay. So shall we read again? Monu is reading page number 178 of a story sum. So he is reading, actually he is reading which page number? 178. So before that, which page did he read just before page 178? So before that 178, which page he read? 177 page he read just before page 178. Then which page will he read just after page 178? Now before he has read 177. Now after 178, which page he will read? He will read page 179 just after page 178. Write down this. You can write in this way also. See here. He read page 177 just before page 178. In this way also you can write. Okay? Say, repeat after me. He read page 177 just before page 178. Write down fast. Okay, now next one we will see. Ashima is climbing a tall tower. She is on step number 200. Okay, so What is here? Asima is climbing a tall tower. Now she is climbing a tall tower. You can see here, this is a girl, small girl. And what she is doing? Her name is what? Asima. And she is going upstairs. Okay? She is climbing a tall tower. You can see here, she is climbing tall tower. So, she is on step number 200. Where is she? On step 200. So, which step was she on just before 200? Yes, which step she was before 200? Now she is near. She is before 200. Which was there? She is now near 200. Okay. She is near the step of 200. So before 200, which step she was there? Yes, correct. She was just before step 200. Which step was she on just before 200? She was 199. So 199, then 200. Which step was she on just before step 200? The step 199 step was just before step 200. 199 step was she on just before step 200. So before 200, 199 step it was. Okay. And which step will she be on after step 200? Now after 200, which step she will go? Yes, that is 201. Afterwards, 201 step, she will be after step 200. Okay? Which step will she be on after step 200? She will be on 201 step after step 200. You can write like this. She will be okay, she will be on step 201 after step 200. She was. Here also you can write she was. She was on step 199 just before step 200. Okay, we shall repeat again one more time now. Monu is reading page number 178 of a story book. Now we saw that Monu is reading page number 178. So which page did he read just before page 178? Now actually he is reading 178. So before 178, which page he had read? So he read page 177 just before page 178. Before that he read 177. Then B1. Which page will he read just after page 178? Now we had seen he was reading 178 page and before that he read 177 page. Now after 177 which he is going to read? Which he will be going to read? See. So he will read page 179 just after page 178. After 178 he will be reading 179. Okay. Then second one. Asima is climbing a tall tower. She is on step number 200. Now you can see there in the picture a girl, she is climbing a tall tower. Now she is near the step of number 200. Okay, so which step was she on just before step 200? So now she is near 200 step. Before that where she was? She was on step 190 just before step 200. Then second one, which step will she be on after step 200? She will be on step 201 after step 200. After 200 where she will be? On which step? After 200 she will be on the step of 201. Write down this. Okay, we will repeat again one more time. Monu is reading page number 179 of a story book. He is reading the page number of 179. So, which page did he read just before page 178? He read page 177 just before page 178. The next B1, which page will he read just after page 178? So, he will read page 179 just after page 178. Then second one, Asima is climbing a tall tower. She is on step number 200. So, which step was she on just before step 200? She was on step 199 just before step 200. Then which step will she be on after step 200? She will be on step 201 after step 200. Okay. Today what we had seen, children? We had seen between numbers. Okay. Then afterwards we had seen story sums. In these story sums what we saw? What comes before and what comes after. Okay, so exercise 12 also we completed and exercise 11 which was half remaining that we completed and exercise 12 also we completed. So whatever has we have learned today, just do revision of that. Okay, thank you.